Hello everyone, welcome back. In this episode, we are going to make nachos with cheese dip and guacamole. The ingredients we are going to require for making this recipe: 2 grated cheese cubes, 1 medium-sized chopped tomato, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, half a cup of all refined flour, avocado, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 cup maize flour, milk, half tablespoon red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon mango powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, lemon wedges, chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon butter, salt to taste. Firstly, to the maize flour, add 3 tablespoons of all refined flour, half tablespoon garlic powder, oregano, some turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix everything well. Then add required amount of water in parts, adding water gradually and kneading the flour into a soft dough. I have used approximately half a cup of water. The kneaded dough should be soft but not too sticky. As maize flour is gluten free, it doesn't have a stretchy quality, so we add maida so the dough comes together well. Knead the dough good for 5 to 6 minutes to release all the air in the flour so that the nachos are crispier. Now cover the dough with a damp cloth and set it for 15 minutes. Take a ripe avocado and cut it from the center horizontally or vertically into equal halves. While cutting the avocado from the center, keep on rotating the knife in a circle at the center so that you get 2 halves of avocado. Now scrape out the avocado pulp with a spoon and place the avocado pulp in a mixing bowl. Using a fork or a spoon, mash the avocado. Mash until it finds puree type texture. Now add chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped coriander leaves and squeeze some lemon juice into it. Also add some salt to taste and mix everything well. And here our guacamole is ready. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon of dry mango powder, half tablespoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon red chili flakes and salt to taste. Mix everything together and a nacho spice mix is ready. For cheese sauce, add milk to the pan, 2 grated cheese cubes. Mix everything well or until the cheese melts completely. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir well till the butter melts completely and fuses with the mixture. Stir well for 4 to 5 minutes or until the mixture thickens up. Once it turns into a thick sauce, add a pinch of turmeric powder to it. The turmeric powder will give nice yellowish color to the cheese sauce. The consistency of the cheese sauce should not be too thick, as the cheese present in the mixture has the tendency to thicken up when it cools down. In that case, you can add more milk to the mixture. Now our cheese sauce is completely ready. After 15 minutes, remove the damp cloth. Pull out some amount from the dough into a small sized ball. Place it in a bowl of all refined flour and roll the dough using a rolling pin. Roll it gently into a thin rectangular shape. The thickness should be like roti. You might find a lot of cracks on the sides of the sheet. Not to worry, the cracks won't affect the shape of nachos. Using a knife, cut the uneven part or the sides of the sheet. Just cut off the cracked part from the sides into a proper rectangular shape. Once it is done, cut the sheet into rectangular cuts to make nachos. and collect the leftover part for the further use and transfer this to a plate. Also follow the same procedure for the remaining dough and place all the nachos to a plate. And now we are going to deep fry the nachos. Now drop the triangle chips into the medium hot oil. Turn by turn, drop all the nachos. Fry on low to medium flame, stirring in between. You don't need to fry the nachos for too long. It will be completely ready in 5 to 10 minutes. Fry on low flame until the nachos turn crisp and golden brown on both the sides. The slotted spoon remove the excess oil and drain the nachos on an absorbent paper. Also deep fry the remaining nachos and repeat the same step performed before. And here our nachos are ready. Wait for the nachos to cool down. Sprinkle some prepared nachos masala mix and serve it with guacamole and cheese sauce. And enjoy this delicious Mexican snack. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.